In what ratio does the line 2x plus 3y plus 7 equals to 0 divide the line segment joining the points 3, 4 and 7, 8? Also determine the coordinates of the point of division. Let us begin. So here we have, let's say, we have 2 points, point A and point B. So A has the coordinates, let's say, 3, 4. We'll consider another point B. So let's say B has the coordinates 7, 8. Now let's join point A and point B with the help of a straight line. Now it's given here, we have another line. So we will suppose that this particular line, which has the equation 2x plus 3y plus 7 equals to 0. So this line is intersecting the line segment AB and it is dividing it in the ratio k is to 1. And also the line segment intersects AB at the point C. Fine. So our goal will be to find out the ratio first. Okay, so let's do that. So what we'll do, we'll use the internal section formula since we are assuming that the line is intersecting AB internally. So we can find out the coordinate of C by using the internal section formula. All we have to do is take K and multiply with B, and 1 will be multiplied with A. Meaning if we want to find out the X coordinate, we'll take K and multiply with the X coordinate of B, so that gives us 7K. Then we add it to 1 times the X coordinate of A, so that's going to be simply 3, divided by the sum of the ratio, so that's K plus 1. Then coming to the Y coordinate, we take K and multiply with the Y coordinate of B, so this will be 8K. And then we add it to 1 times the Y coordinate of A, so that's simply 4, divided by K plus 1. So this is going to be the coordinate of point C, and since C lies on the line, so we can say since C, the point C lies on the line, so that means it has to satisfy the equation of the line, which is given by 2x plus 3y plus 7 equals to 0. All you have to do is replace the value of x with the x coordinate of C and y with the y coordinate of C. So we have 2 times x. So here what is x here? That's 7k plus 3 divided by k plus 1. Added to, we have 3 multiplied to 8k plus 4 divided by k plus 1 plus 7, that will be equals to 0. Now we'll have to do is solve for the value of k. So let's multiply throughout with k. So we have 2 times 7k plus 3 added to 3 times 8k plus 4 plus we have 7 times k plus 1. So this will be equals to 0. So now we have 14k plus 6 plus 24k plus 3 times 4, that's 12, added to 7k plus 7 equals to 0. So 14k plus 24k, that's going to be 38k. And 38k plus 7k, that's going to be 45k. Then we have 6 plus 12, that's going to be 18. 18 plus 7, that's going to be 25. Plus 25, that's equals to 0. Now solving for the value of k, so we have 45k, that will be equals to negative 25. So k will be equals to negative 25 over 45, or simply k will be equals to then 5 over 9. We have a negative value here. So negative value tells us that actually k, the line 2x plus 3y plus 7 equals to 0, this is actually dividing AB in the ratio k is to 1, not internally but externally. So we'll say that this implies that the ratio k is to 1, this is going to be 5 is to 9, but it is going to get divided externally. Fine. So let's substitute the value of k with negative 5 over 9. So we have 7 multiplied to negative 5 over 9 plus 3 divided by negative 5 over 9 plus 1. And for the y coordinate, we have 8 multiplied to k. So k will be negative 5 over 9 plus 4 divided by k. That's negative 5 over 9 plus 1. Fine. So when you solve for this value, we get the x coordinate as negative 2 and the y coordinate is negative 1. So here that means the line is going to divide the points A and B into ratio 5 is to 9 externally, and the coordinates of that point is going to be negative 2, negative 1. So let's go to our options. Now coming to the options, so here I have made a mistake. This is actually externally, not internally. So option B, that's going to be the correct answer.